Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see how to display minimum number of content from a file by using head, tail and less. First, let's see the difference between head and tail. Head counts from top to bottom and tail counts from bottom to top. I have two files named alpha and number. Let's display the content. Alpha, here alpha is 20 lines and number is also 20 lines. But I don't need to display these 20 lines of content. I just need to display the 5 or 6 lines. Like I need to display from the 1 to 7. For that I can use head num. If I just use the command and the file name, it displays the default of 10 lines. But I can assign the specific number of lines that I need to display. For that we need to use the end flag and need to give the number of lines to display. I need to display 7 lines. Here I got 7 lines of content from the file from the top. And instead of displaying the content based on lines, if I need to display the content based on the bytes, I can use C flag like C, and here I need to give the number of bytes, 15 bytes. Here it displays 8 lines because end of each statement or each line we used an enter or new line character, so it is also taken as a byte. Let's display the alpha file in the same command. Here you can see only 5 lines, but there are 15 characters like A, these are the 2 characters, and here I pressed the enter key so it creates a new line. The new line is also taken as a byte. It means there are 3 bytes A, and a new line. And like that B, and new line. Here we have 5 lines, so 3 bytes for each line and there are 15 bytes. If you display more than one file using the head command at a time, it displays the file name also. But when you display only one file, you won't get the file name because the file name is ignored. If you need to see that, you can use the verbose flag. It displays the file name. But here, when I display 2 files, I get the file names, but I don't need that. For that, I can use Q flag. It's used to hide the file names. Here both files are merged and no file names or spaces are there. And instead of using the head command like this, you can use it with the pipe. Like here I am displaying the num file. It displays all the content. I can use the pipe to minimize that. By default I got 10 lines, and I can also use the flags. It displays 6 lines. Here that's it in head. Let's go for tail. Tail is also exactly same like head. Head is from the top to bottom and tail is from the bottom to top. Like tail num, it displays 10 lines from bottom to top. Here I have 11 to 20. If I minimize the contents using n flag, let's give 4. It displays 17 to 20. And same like C flag. Here it displays 5 lines, and you can also display multiple files using tail. It gives the same output, but from bottom to top. We have the Q flag to hide the file names. And you can also use the tail using the pipe. Now let's use head and tail both combined. I use this command to display 6 lines from top to bottom, and I'm using tail with it. to display 4 lines from bottom to top. It displays 3, 4, 5, 6 because the bottom 4 values are 6, 5, 4, 3. So it displays 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can also redirect the output to a new file, shot1. Let's display the content of shot1. Here we got 3, 4, 5, 6. The same output. That's it for head and tail. Now let's see what is less. Let's clear our screen. If I display my password file using cat, it displays the contents like this. It displays in the terminal. By using less, I can make it to display in a different way. To exit, press Q. Here it doesn't display the content. Let's go to the less command again. At the end, colon, it means the file is not in the end. You can see the end because this is the end of the file. And you can search for any string using slash and string. I'm searching for RK. Here I got RK in each line, displays in different color. RK is as username, RK is home directory. Let's exit from it. And you can also use less with pipe by using cat etc/password and pipe less. It uses the same method to display content. And that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.